Morning, my river babies. This is Mr. Weirlake checking in with his own little river group at home, and this is Penny over here with my phone, and this is little Sammy over here as well. We're just having our own little river group for 4 weeks or however long it is. So we just wanted to check in and make sure everyone's doing okay and that everyone's safe at home and doing okay. It's only a couple of days, but just wanted to say that we're thinking about you and hope everything is going okay. And if anything you want to discuss or anything that you need to check in on, that you can email me or leave a message on Google Classroom, and I'm more than happy to help. Please be checking it's a fly on our webcam. Here we go. Please check in on all your classes, Google Classrooms. There should be a bit of work that you can be getting on with in the last couple of days. Lou Connors, you've got some PE work there that you can be getting on with today. Otherwise, you got 2 weeks holidays from tomorrow. And yeah, I hope you have a good, relaxing time. Get your exercise done, get your sleep done, eat well, and we look forward to talking again after the holidays and see how you're getting on, and we'll show you some more of Sammy's faces then. All right. See you guys. Take care and talk soon.